Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 23rd of February. And first of all, national news. 121 roads closed in Himachal after Shimla, Lahore, Spiti witnessed snowfall. India China reviewed the situation along the LAC in the western sector. Environment conservation is commitment, not compulsion for India. PM Modi. UP to soon have 20 operationalized airports, including 5 international. Not our business. Germany on India buying discounted Russian oil. Engineers MBAs among 12 lakh candidates for 6,000 land official jobs in Madhya Pradesh. B.S. Yediyurappa delivered his farewell speech in Karnataka Assembly. Fearing Joshi like cracks, protest in Uttarakhand's Pithoragarh against Hydel project. Uttarakhand Char Dham pilgrims to undergo compulsory registration process. Center states directed to install CCTVs in police stations within a month. Landslides blocked Jammu-Srinagar highway, hundreds stranded. We stand up for BBC, UK government in parliament after tax survey. Goons have lost. AP's dig at BJP as Shelley Oberoi elected Delhi mayor. Now international news. US Embassy in London briefly placed under lockdown over suspicious package. Pakistan to get $700 million loan from China, Finance Minister. Nuclear watchdog team in Iran to resolve ambiguities on uranium enrichment. Biden saying one thing, doing another. China on spy balloon raw. 2 civilians injured in Russian missile strike in East Ukraine. Today's era is not for war. India reiterated Ukraine's stance at G20 meet. North Korea slammed UN chiefs unfair condemnation over missile launch. Turkey banned layoffs, offered salary support in quake-hit cities. Putin cancelled order backing Moldova's sovereignty in separatist conflict. North Korea may conduct 7th nuclear test this year, South Korean lawmakers. Russia seeks to block UN move on Ukraine, China's position paper soon. Now some sports news. Target of 180 would be good as Australia bat deep. Richa Ghosh. Victor Osimhen sent Napoli to victory in Champions League last 16. Sania Mirza predicted tough future for Indian women's tennis after swan song. Indian Grandmaster Vidit Gujarati stunned world champion Magnus Carlsen. And now news related to business. Sensex fallen by 927 points to close at a 3-week low at 59,744.98. India likely to propose expert G20 group for World Bank reforms, a report said. US Commerce Secretary to lead big business delegation to India next month. Focus on youth. Infra push in UP's last budget before 2024. Adani Ports repaid 1,500 crores to SBI Mutual Fund, ADITYA BIRLA Sunlight. Not our business. Germany on India buying discounted Russian oil. Adani Power calls off plan to acquire rupees 7,000 coal plant. And now news from Science and Technology. Venus and Jupiter meeting in rare conjunction to be closest on March 1. Harnessing plant molecules to improve the efficiency of solar panels. Tropical cyclone Freddy hits Madagascar. And that's all in news. Thank you.